guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up and install Facebook Pixel in 2023. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook Business Manager and go to your business settings. Then under data sources heading, tap on Pixel. Now we'll create a pixel. First of all, type in the name and click on continue. It will ask whether you want to set it up now or not. Then just simply select set up the pixel now. Based on your type of website, it will show the partner option on which it is based. Then simply select the partner. Since I already have a pixel, I'm going to close it. Your just created pixel will show up here. What you need to do is you have to click on add people and add yourself to the pixel. You can also add assets like add account to your pixel. Anyway, so that's how you can set up and install Facebook Pixel in 2023. So if you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.